The conversation grew heated after she found out he had cheated. Tears gushing down her face. She said, Craig, I'm feeling so defeated. In 3 years I've been faithful, now I'm becoming so hateful. I hate liars and pretenders, fake and the ungrateful. Rasta T-Boy thought my words would help her, but she was fuming in raging temper. She says, Kirkland, this is it, I'm done with this. I am going to murder the emperor. Hold on, what's wrong with you? Talk to me straight. Mind you get yourself in trouble with the law. I see wrath in your face. Takura, she suddenly pretend to start laugh like she glad. Then seconds after she start talk like she mad. She said, I'm gonna murder Bumba Clark, make she walk past she bad. I was like, honey, calm down and breathe easily. I've never seen you this pissed before. You're smart with a strong heart, you never talked like this before. She said, Craig, I had enough, it's rough, I will not compromise. I looked him in his eyes and watched him tell his silly lies. Marriage, he lay with the maid, I asked him, he denied. But he was caught on camera, and I realized that nasty helper, she and him have been unprotected sex the other day while I was away. I kid you not. She said, this is the part that grieved me. While he was all up inside her, she was like, breathe me, Billy, breathe me. Promise you'll never leave me. And have the audacity to fake a smile when she see me. Her eyes extended larger as she uttered, I'm gonna murder them. I advise her to seek psychotherapy, perhaps that helps, because depression is that thing to make her feel like her inside melts.